What's going on YouTube? This is JabberTech. Today we got another case review for your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This one is from a company called Poetic and it's the Revolution style case. It's only about 16 bucks. I'll leave the link down in my description below. Well, let's go ahead and check this out together. Opening it up, it's a very nice packaging. It's very clean, very sleek looking in my opinion. Inside, you get a little pamphlet. How to use it, how to use the kickstand. We all know what to do with that. This is the blue edition. They do have a black and a pink as well, but I kind of like the combination blue and black personally, especially on the white Note 10 that I have right over here. Overall, it's a nice looking case. You do have a built-in kickstand here. That's always a plus when you have these larger style devices. So this is more like a rugged style case. This is definitely something a little bit more protective than your slimmer cases, and you get these flaps over here to kind of protect that charging port. This case is a two-part case, so once you open up that tongue and groove, it's pretty simple. Just put your phone in this piece first and then sort of slide it in. I always like to just insert from the bottom and then sort of push it right on in. Seems to be a little bit faster and easier. And then just make sure that you get all the tongue and groove back in its place. Taking a look at the front, you got a nice amount of lip protection on the front here, so this is definitely a more rugged style case. Looking at the 360 bird's eye view, you see all of the protection that you're getting from this case. Really a nice amount of protection. And then on the sides, you have these extra, I'm going to call them extra bumpers, but it also helps with grip. But the main purpose is if you drop it and it lands on its side, you're going to have a little bit more protection and it's going to bounce back, hopefully. And then it also gives you a little bit more grip on the bottom here. Kind of rests in your palm and gives you a little bit more of peace of mind that you are holding your phone properly. On the bottom, your ports, of course, are perfect. Everything is cut out really nicely, and the flap just goes right back in just like that. S Pen, no issues with the S Pen. And just looking at the S Pen protection, you get a nice amount of protection there. You can see how deep the case actually goes. So if you do drop this on its corner, you have this extra little bumper for the S Pen as well. Again, nice attention to detail in a $16 case. Thumbs up to Poetic for doing that. On the back, your camera, well protected, no issues or concerns about this camera. And you have a little company branding right on the bottom that says Poetic, as well as a little logo right over there. But what I like about it, if you notice on the back of the case, it is raised a little bit, so you do get a little protection from scratches. We all know we don't like our cases getting scratched up, and these little bumpers here actually prevent that. So when you do lay your phone on the table like so, it helps for that slip. It's not really slipping as easily as it would. If you have this phone, you know how easily this slips off of a surface. This just gives you a little bit extra gripability on the table or whatever surface you have, and it also protects your case from getting scratched. Here's your little kickstand, and it really is just meant to be a landscape type of kickstand. It's not really meant to be a portrait mode. Although this does stand in portrait mode, it's just not going to be as sturdy as if it was in landscape. So I'd really recommend using this in landscape, and when you're done with it, just pop it back into place like that. This is what the right side will look like, and then the left side where all the buttons are. Let's test out these buttons. So a nice amount of feedback. They're not mushy, they're not stiff, they're just about right in my opinion. But what I really like about this case, I like these extra little bumpers here, and it just improves the look of the case and gives you a little bit more gripability. Lastly, let's just check out wireless charging. No issues with wireless charging, and wireless share will also work with this as well. So let me know what you guys think about the Poetic Revolution case. I think at 16 bucks, you're getting a lot of nice protection and style at a really affordable price point. But I always like to know your opinion. Definitely appreciate you watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.